These are the steps to rotate text in Microsoft Word desktop app. Click on Start, then click here and search for the Word app, okay? Then click on it for it to open. Once it opens, let's work with blank documents. All right, so click on a spot where you want to have the text you want to rotate. So here, let me start from here. Then the next step is to click on Insert. On clicking on Insert, click on Shapes. Then you will see this first option here, which is Text Brush. Once you take your cursor there, you'll see the name. Click on it. Then take your cursor to the document, then press and hold on the left button of your mouse. All right, so this will allow you to create a text box inside the document. Then type in something you want to have inside. Look at what I have here. It says it is important to learn tech. Let's say I want to rotate this. I will take my cursor to this icon here. You can see that arrow sign. All right, rotate sign. Press and hold on the left button of my mouse, and then I will rotate to move it to any way I want it. So this text has now been rotated. So if I click inside the box again, it will get back to normal. So let's say I want to work further on this text. Control A to select everything. I'll click on this, and then I'll click on Home to select a different text size of my choice. Let's go with 48 in this case. You can always extend the text box. All right. I hope I made everything simple and easy for you. So consider subscribing and hitting the like button to learn more. See you some other time.